This is the machine overview. This is the cup job station, and this is the sensor for detecting whether the cup is present. And this is the filling station, and this is for the filling volume adjustment. When it's closer to this sensor, the filling volume is smaller. When this disc is farther, then the filling volume is bigger. So, and this is the 50 liter hopper, and this is the stirrer, the mixer motor. And this is the jacketed hopper. This is for filling tap water into the jacket of this hopper, and filling water before heating is a must. Cold water must be filled here to avoid burning this hopper. And these are the sensors. These are sensors for the liquid level of the hopper. And this is the discharge of the waste cooling water from the hopper. And it has a mixer here. See, it has a mixer, and it has also a cleaning board inside to spraying water. And this filling nozzle, this can be disassembled to have a bigger filling nozzle. Now the filling nozzle is bigger, and when you assemble it back, it will be smaller. And this can be used to control the filling speed of the filling. And when this pressure is released to bigger, this air pressure, then the filling will be faster. And when you tighten this valve, the filling speed will be slower. So remember, it must be filled filling water into the jacket of the hopper, so that the hopper will not be burned when it's being heated. Fill water until this level will be enough. The cooling water shall not be filled too full until this. At this level will be sufficient for the cooling. And here, this is the lid placing station. The lid is placed upside down, and then this cylinder, it will rotate first to be upside right, to be upright, and then place the lid onto the cup. And this is the sensors, the door open and close sensors. You see there are totally 7 sensors, except the cup loading station, because you need to frequently load the cups. That's why there are no sensors there. And this is the heating, the sealing station, and this is the couplet, the heating couplet, which is easy wear pass. And for replacing this, you may need to replace this heater couplet. And when replacing these heating couplets, you just need to these T1 and T1 plus and T1 minus. You need to disconnect these red and blue connectors, and then replace the heater couplet. And the T2 plus and the T2 minus is for the hopper heater. So T1 plus and T1 minus is for the ceiling head heater couplet. And this is the main power switch. And this is the speed controller for the mixer, for the stirrer in the hopper. And this is the discharge station. This is the discharge station for the cups first. And this discharge conveyor has two modes, running modes, the intermittently running mode, which will stop at intervals for making the cups staying upright while discharging. And there's also continuous mode, which may make cups fall easily on the conveyor. So normally, intermittent mode is sufficient enough. And this is rotational. This can be rotated about 135 degrees, and also this screen can also be rotated. This is a lock. This is lock for this screen can be rotated freely. And for this operation screen, this is the alarm. This is the buzzer. This is the buzzer, and this is the power indicator, and this is the power switch. And this is the emergency stop switch, and this is the heating switch. This is the temperature meter for the ceiling head. This is the temperature meter for the hopper heater display. And now let's look at the screens. This is the startup screen, and there are both Chinese and English versions. Let's enter the English modes. And first, this is the production screen, and this is the production count, the number of the batch production, and we can push clear to clear the production counts. And this is the cup job station, and this is the filling station, and later placing station, and this sealing station, and this cup discharge station. And note the station disable or enabling must be before the turntable is in position, which means if you want to disable or enable the corresponding station, you must operate it before the turntable is in that station. If the turntable is already past that station, the enabling of the station will only be effective after the first running, the circle of running. And this is the manual and auto switch. You hold press for 1 second, to switch. Hold press 1 second to switch. And this is the turntable cup clearing. So after each production, you may want to clear all the unfinished products on the turntable. Then you push this button for hold press for 2 seconds to enable and disable. And this is the clean pipe function for cleaning the products, the remaining products in the filling station. And this is the auto refilling of the hopper. Also, these buttons can only effective can only be pressed once it is in auto mode. And now let's turn to the manual screen. And this is the turntable motor. This is the manual screen for the commissioning of the machine. And this is the carb job up and down cylinder. And this is the carb job hold valve. This is the carb job suck valve. And this carb job test means a single circle running of the carb job. And this is a filling up down valve. And this is a manual fill. And this is a manual refill. And this is a fill test. And this lead place up down valve. And this is the lead place rotate valve. And lead place suck valve. And lead place single circle tap run. And this is the seal air valve. The seal test. Carb discharge motor. And this carb discharge up and down. And the carb discharge move valve is the forward and the rear cylinder. The carb discharge suck valve and the carb discharge test, the single circle of carb discharge. And let's now back to the automatic mode.